truck broke down. Thankfully, it gave me enough warning for me to get off and come to a parking area. So we might as well go explore the fucking parking area while I wait for the wreckers.
It's been a while since I've stood here and talked to you. It's been over a month since I put a video up on the channel. And in that time a lot has happened. The culmination of which is this. As of today, I am no longer a full-time employee at Gordon Enterprise. I shall be returning to freelancing for the time being while I look at other opportunities. And yeah, this is the end of an era. It's not quite the way I would have liked to have ended, but this was coming. We did discuss things, we ended things amicably. We still have the Shinkyoku Shinkai connection. So, you know, things are good for all intents and purposes. Just the road that we walked on together up to this point was no longer tenable, and so it's better that we go our own ways. Honestly, this first 2 months is going to be insane, but I think I think things will be alright. Fucking A.